Good evening, students. Today our topic is existence of an integral basis. Here we take a K as an algebraic number field of degree n over Q and Qk its ring of integers. Then we say that omega 1, omega 2 up to so on omega n is an integral basis of K if for all omega I belongs to Qk can be written as Zw1 plus Zw2 plus up to so on Zwn. Next exercise, show that there exists omega 1 star, omega 2 star up to so on omega n star belongs to K such that Qk contained in Zw1 star plus Zw star plus so on Zwn star. Now we give the solution. Let W1, W2 so on Wn be a Q basis for K. Since this is a Q basis, so therefore Qk is equals to Zw1 plus Zw2 plus so on Zwn. Given alpha belongs to K, there is a non-zero integer m such that m non-zero and m alpha belongs to K. So m alpha is an algebraic integer. Therefore, we can find non-zero integers m1, m2 so on mn such that mi alpha I belong करेगा K से. So m1 w1 m2 so on m2 w2 up to so on mn wn क्या हो जाएंगे, linearly independent हो जाएगा over K. Now, without loss of generality, we can assume that w1, w2, so on wn are algebraic integers. We now define bilinear pairing B, K cross K2, Q. This is the bilinear pairing given by B, Wi, Wj star equals to delta Ij, where delta Ij is our Kroneker's delta. Kroneker's delta क्या होता है? Delta Ij 1 if I equals to j and 0 if I not equals to j. Here omega j stars is a dual base of K over Q. Now omega j star can be written as sigma Ckj omega k, where Ckj belongs to Q. Now delta Ij can be written as trace K omega I omega j star. Now omega j star is sigma Ckj Wk. So here sigma comes out and this is the constant, so it comes out, so trace of K omega I omega k. Now if we introduce now the matrix, now we define this expression in terms of matrices. Here let's capital C equals to Cij is the matrix, omega is the matrix omega I raised to the power j. Then this expression, above expression become delta Ij becomes the identity n cross n identity matrix omega transpose C. Now C inverse is equals to omega transpose. This implies C is a non-singular matrix. Here hence omega I stars forms basis for K over Q. Let alpha be an arbitrary element of Qk. So we write alpha equals to sigma Aj omega j star with Ai belongs to Q. So alpha Wi can be written as sigma Aj omega I omega j star for all I, and trace of this equals to trace of sigma Aj omega I omega j star. Now trace goes inside, this is the property of trace, so trace omega I omega j star. Now trace of omega I j star, we have already find it, it is delta Ij, so hence this becomes Ai belongs to Z. But alpha Wi belongs to Qk implies that the left hand side above is in Z. This left hand side is in Z, and thus Ai belongs to Z because this is in Z and hence this belongs to Z for all I. So this implies Qk contained in Zw1 star plus Zw2 star plus so on plus Zwn star. Hence this proved.